today I am going to do my second review on my next wig from Temu. And this is what it looks like. And it is 26 inches by Bodywave. And I think it's like 180 Destiny. I can't remember if it's 150 or 180, but today I think I'm gonna do a bust down middle part. Well, it's not gonna be a bust down because it's gonna be wavy, but if you know what I mean, you know what I mean. Now I am applying the glue to the lace loop. Y'all, my glue is almost out. Okay, that's kind of a lot. I said lace, like always. I mean cap. Shoot. Okay, so now that I got it drawn, okay guys, so now I have to clean my forehead, and I already have alcohol on here. And this is so good of me. I couldn't find my little lace thing, so. You guys, I'm probably gonna add my edges a little bit later because I have to get a direction of how I'm gonna go, and I don't want to mess them up. So if I do add edges, they'll be in my videos on Instagram and TikTok, so you'll be able to see if I add edges if you watch my other social media pages. But yeah, I just plucked this and I'm gonna color it in with some makeup too. I like how it looks. Y'all, goodness, y'all, it took me forever to get this side right. I can't do no more cutting. I be scared to cut. Don't get me wrong. It don't look easy, but it's not. Alright, so unfortunately my video has stopped because my phone had went dead, but this is how my wig looks. And I'm gonna add edges. Don't mind my forehead looking all shiny, but I need time to do that, so I'm gonna do that next. But yeah, make sure you guys subscribe to my channel, like this video, comment, share, and I hope you guys actually enjoy it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will be back with more soon, so stay tuned.